Welcome to Navnirmiti Eduquality. Let's take a look at the concepts that we are going to cover in this video. Fraction equivalence and comparing fractions. Fraction equivalence. Here is a whole again. I divided into two parts, which means I have half part of my whole. Let's take this half part. How many pieces of 1/4 would I need to make a half? Let's check. 1 and 2. Here I can say that I need 2 pieces of 1/4 to make a half. What about 1/6? 1, 2 and 3. 3 pieces of 1/6. What about 1/8? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 pieces of 1/8. All these are equivalent fractions. Now can we find the equivalent fraction of 1/3? Comparing fractions. Comparing fractions can become easier now. Which part do you think is greater, 1/5 or 1/10? Let's simply compare them. You could clearly see that 1/5 is greater than 1/10. Let's compare 1/6 with one piece of 1/12. In this case, 1/6 is greater, but what about 2 pieces of 1/12? Let's compare. You could see that 1/6 is equal to 2 pieces of 1/12. So they both are equal, or we can say that they are equivalent fractions. What about 1/3 and 1/8? By now, you may know that 1/3 is greater, but let's compare. Yes, you are right. 1/3 is greater than 1/8.